tested automated random testing of image processing application with effectiveness measure. Software testing is a key procedure to ensure high quality and reliability of software programs. In most of the cases, testing is accomplished by analyzing of software and generating inputs that are capable to trigger bugs. The problem lies in huge amount of availability input data and limitations of the time to test each of them. For this purpose, a subset of inputs is selected for testing and the code coverage is a metric used to evaluate effectiveness of the test cases. Software bugs are hard to discover and most manifest for a specific input only. These bugs arise due to misconception of software requirements or wrong handling of the programming language constraints. Recently, the use of image processing application has been increased remarkably, such as bioinformatics, medical imaging, digitalization, remote sensing, and a number of other applications. Most of these applications generate a vital decision on the basic inputs, images. Example, iris recognition for a security pass, and users depend highly on the system. If their malfunctioning may lead to distraction, so these systems are required to be dependable and well tested. In this project, we are going to mainly focus on the detection of the test images based upon the face recognition and iris identification. Based upon the huge database training and with the information collected by the color information such as RGB and gray and median filtration, the image range should be between 1 and 5. So in this project, we are going to inbuild the algorithm IM test to analyze the code test to calculate code coverage of each image. Basic requirements, hardware requirements, we need operating system Windows, processor i5 and above. RAM should be minimum 4 GB and above. Hard disk should be minimum 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirements, we need to install Python with the version of 3.7. Methodologies. To implement this project, we have designed these modules to execute the code. First module, upload the image dataset. When we upload the dataset related to the test images to the stalling of software bugs, we are going to upload the dataset in this module. Second one, run analyze image algorithm. In this module, random images from the database and then check image type will be JPG or JPEG or PNG, TIFF or BMP or GIF. So, if the image belongs to any category, then this module will call another function called IMTest. So, next module is run IMTest algorithm. In this algorithm, we generate code to check whether the application requires color or gray image, and based upon the test case will be performed by evaluation. If and else statements, this algorithm check allowable medium filter volume between 1 and 5, and if the 0 is given, then test cases will be raised. This algorithm also check image headers, and if image contains headers, then that information will be written to be filed. While executing algorithm, if any if-else block missed, then that test cases will be failed and application records each if-else coverage in vector and then calculates the coverage percentage. Then last module, that is coverage percentage graph. This is the graph shown by the IMTest algorithm percentage based upon the coverage of the test vectors. Now coming to the execution. First we need to go to the code file. This is the code file and this is the image files which consist of the database of the images, and this is the main file and this is the runbat file. Runbat file is, instead of executing the program in command line interface, we create Windows bat file to execute the program. Now by clicking double tap on the Windows runbat file which executes the program to leads into graphical user interface which interacts with the program. So you can see the graphical user interface here. Now first button upload image dataset. By clicking this, a dialog box will be open. You can select the folder and click on the select folder button. It will load the data from the database. And now click on run analyze image algorithm. By clicking run and analyze image algorithm, it will analyze the data files and it will check the vectors and where the text is there or not in the if-else statements. If the text vectors are not found, then it will be failed in the text case, and if the comments are there, it will be success in the text case. Now, third button, that is run IM test algorithm. Click this IM test algorithm and you can see the percentages of the coverage which was found by the IM test algorithm. And now coverage percentage graph. Clicking this coverage percentage graph, you can see here the percentage of the graph of the each images found in the database. This is the y-axis which consists of number of images and the x-axis which consists of coverage percentage. Now close this graph and exit the button, which leads to the close of all the program. Now go to the conclusion. In this project, we have identified that IM test selects the image randomly from a large database and executes the instructed version of the program under test. The random testing is linked with a coverage criteria to make a conclusion testing process. This technique is applied on the real-world application. As a result shown, we have effective in the terms of finding bugs and achieving high code coverage area.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.